Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. It's been a little bit since I have done a tutorial and I came here to show you guys how to use the offset button in Cricut Design Space to make your own stickers. Now, this is a new button they added pretty recently. Before this, people were using Inkscape to make their stickers, which still works pretty great. It's just easier and a lot more convenient now that it's on Cricut Design Space. So I will go ahead and show you how to do that. Of course, you're going to first open up your Cricut Design Space program and go ahead and drag. I'm sorry, you can't drag. I totally forgot with Cricut Design Space, you can't drag. Go ahead and upload the picture you would like to use. So I'm going to use this Love Your Mama sticker here, decal here. Going to make it whatever size I want. Stickers tend to be anywhere between 2.5 to 4.5-ish inches. The awesome thing with this is you can, like I said, design it with whatever size you want. So go ahead and resize to your liking, and you're going to want to go up here where it says offset and just kind of move the cursor up a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit to load, and I'm not sure why it does that. I'm not sure if it's just having a ton of stuff on my computer or if it's an issue with Design Space. So I'm actually going to move this down here so you can see what's going on here. Okay, so go ahead and move it up. You want to make sure, obviously, you're after this line right here. And we're going to give it a little bit again. Okay, so you can see it outlined from right here, all of this area. Now, in my opinion, that's a little too much, so I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. And then once you have it exactly where you want it, after it loads, go ahead and click apply. I wonder if it takes so long to load because it's in this beta mode. Okay, so go ahead and move your picture off of that. So to print your sticker, okay, so first of all, this backdrop over here, this black thing, it's going to print whatever color it makes it, or whatever color it's showing. And obviously right now it's showing black, and that's just how it is by default. You're going to want to make this white, and you're not going to be able to see it very well because it's on kind of a white backdrop. But you can kind of see it here since I have the grid out. That is where it is going to cut. So to make sure it's going to do the print and then cut, you're going to want to highlight the entire thing and go down to the bottom right down here and click flatten. And I can walk you through this since I'm not hooked up here, but I'm just going to walk you through the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is print. See how here it says print, then cut. So you're going to want to click continue and go ahead and find your printer, send it to printer. It's going to print that Love Your Mama design on your piece of paper. So you can get sticker paper or whatever. And I can show you what sticker paper I use in my next video. Go ahead and click already printed. And then it's going to ask you to connect your Cricut Maker or your Cricut machine. So go ahead and do that, and then you can follow through the prompts. So what it's going to do, once your picture right here is printed, and like I said, I can do a full tutorial on this. This tutorial is more so showing you how the offset button works. It's just going to print right around where this white border is. So you have a really cute, here, I can actually show you. I have an example right here. If you can see in my little tiny picture, I have a Love Your Mama sticker right here. See how it cut around the border here? That's what it's going to do. So, like I said, I can do another tutorial. I just wanted to show you the offset button for sure here. And I think it's a really great feature that they added for Cricut Design Space, and I really, really hope they keep it. Anyways, hope you all have a good night, and I'll chat with you later.